If you've ever wanted a simple way to invest in a professionally managed portfolio without buying each asset yourself, open-ended investment companies, or OEICs, are worth understanding. An OEIC is a type of pooled investment fund, mainly used in the UK. Instead of one person owning the assets directly, lots of investors put their money into the fund, and a manager decides what to buy and sell. That could include shares, bonds, property, or a mix of different assets, depending on the fund's goal. The open-ended part is important. It means the fund can create new shares when investors put money in, and cancel shares when investors take money out. So the size of the fund changes with demand. The price is usually based on the value of the underlying investments, which is known as the net asset value, or NAV. One of the main benefits of an OEIC is diversification. By spreading your money across many investments, you reduce the risk of relying on just one company or one market. Another advantage is convenience. You don't need to research and manage dozens of individual investments yourself. The fund manager does that work for you. OEICs can also be a good fit for different goals. Some are designed for long-term growth, others aim to produce income, and some try to balance both. That flexibility makes them popular with beginner and experienced investors alike. But like any investment, OEICs come with risks. The value can go down as well as up, and you could get back less than you invested. There are also charges to consider, including annual management fees and other fund costs, which can affect your returns over time. It's also worth noting that OEICs are different from unit trusts, although they work in a similar way. Both are pooled funds, but OEICs are set up as companies, while unit trusts have a different legal structure. In simple terms, an OEIC gives you access to a diversified, professionally managed investment in one package. It can be a useful building block in a long-term portfolio, as long as you understand the risks, the fees, and the fund's investment objective before you invest. Please remember that this video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. The content shared here is meant to help you understand general financial concepts, explore ideas, and think more clearly about money decisions, but it is not a substitute for professional guidance tailored to your personal situation. If you've been enjoying the video, do me a quick favor, hit like and subscribe. It's free, it takes just a second, and it helps the channel more than you might think. A like tells the algorithm this is worth sharing, which means more people get to see the content you're already watching. And subscribing means you won't miss the next upload, the next tip, the next story, or the next big moment when it drops. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to support a creator. No payment, no commitment, no catch. Just a simple click that says, yeah, keep making this stuff. And if you really want to help even more, turn on notifications so you're the first to know when a new video goes live. That way, you never have to go searching for it later. So if you're still here and you're enjoying the content, go ahead and join the community. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep this thing growing together. It's free, it's fast, and it makes a huge difference.